So I'm going to show you how to sew a mini pillow with a mini sewing machine. So here we go. So you hold it, you can use a pedal or a button. It's really hard to use the button. You have to press it twice. So just try to use the pedal, hold on to this at all times, and make sure a parent is watching you. All right, let's get started. Then this little purple switch, when you lift it up, it also lifts a pedal up with you. Then you put it down so it works. And then you keep on sewing. Then what happens is really hard. So we have this thing called a bobbin. And what you do with this little guy is twist it a little so it's kind of loose. And then I am going to do this. I like it. You're supposed to have an adult watching you. This is very dangerous, kids. Then there's this switch that I just kind of use to do that. But what my mom says is go as close as you can to the thread, then you cut it in. You cut it. But my mom allowing me to use these kinds. The stuffing part, I used a different pillow that I sewed earlier. So make sure you have an adult sew the sides after you're done. Kids could poke. So it's backwards actually. Backwards. This is the hard part too, kids. You also can kind of pretend to make, I don't know why it does that. The parent will take care of it. Then you go. So then I think you should use 5 or 6 cotton balls to do this part. Just make sure you flat the cotton balls out like that so you can fluff it. Then you just stuff it in like that. Get it as puffy as you want, kids, but if you want, you can kind of fluff it up so it's easier for a doll or something to sit on it or lean on it. I don't know what I'm saying. So then you should kind of sew it together, like pinch it for the parents, then they should sew it together. And then it should look like this, but bigger, if you want. So since my pillows are finished, you can do all kinds of patterns out of fabric. And you can use them for tons of things. Maybe like Barbies. So they can be like a little, you can make like lots of things out of them. Like maybe they can be bed pillows. Maybe it can be a kid's area by an ice cream truck. So you can make tons of things. You can do mini pillow fights and have fun. Alright guys, I think that's the end of the video. Remember, have an adult advise you when you do this. Bye my fans!